Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. I hope you all are doing well.
In this video today, I'll show you how you can generate $200 just by watching videos on YouTube. Now this may seem silly, but I assure you, this is such an easy method of making money online. Step number 1 is to play the video. Step number 2, watch the video for at least 60 seconds. Step number 3 is to cash out to your account. Pretty easy, right? If you're new to this channel, this is where I'll teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Let's dive right into it. This will be the platform we're going to use today. It's called admifast.com. This website will allow us to watch YouTube videos and make money. So basically how it works is, when you do a simple task on this website like watching videos, the points will be added to a page. Later on, the points will be converted into real money. This is a great website to make some money online. All you need is a YouTube account for this method. If you do not have one, make sure you sign up for it. All you have to do is sign up for Google and log into your YouTube account. And you're not going to need any subscribers or like to make money with this method. All you need is an account, and that's it. First of all you have to do is sign up for this website. To sign up, simply click on register over here. Then you put your email address, create a new password, retype the password, and make sure you click on I'm not a robot button over here. Then simply click on sign up over here. After you sign up, it's going to take you to a page look like this, and they will send you a verification code to your email account. Make sure you click on the verification link over there. As you can see, this is a simple website that you can make money on your regular basis just by doing simple things that you already do every day. The possibilities for earning coins can be found on the left side. As you can see, you can earn coins by liking on Facebook share, Facebook followers, but we're going to watch some YouTube videos to be able to do that. After you complete the task, this platform will provide you with some coins. As you can see, I have 40 points over here. When you finish the task, later on you can convert the points into real cash. I want you to scroll down and click on YouTube views over here. After clicking the button, you'll be taken to this page over here where you can simply watch the videos and earn some points. As you can see, in order to get these points, you must watch the video for 30 seconds, and that's all you have to do. So simply click on view video over here, and this window will pop up, and you're going to watch the video for 30 seconds. I'm going to mute the video over here. As you can see, the points have been added to my account. I'm going to show you another example over here. So simply click on view video over here. This window will pop up, and you can see the clock has started counting. When it's 30 seconds, the points will be added to your account. 46 points over here. And it's very simple. All you have to do is sit back and watch those videos on YouTube and earn some money. Find it helpful, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, comment down below. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.